Before the first missile flies, before another mother cries, before a child learns fear by name, can we choose another way? How many homes must turn to dust? How many hearts must lose their trust? A father holds his child so tight, praying they survive the night. They never chose the battlefield, they carry no sword, no shield. Still they pay the highest price while leaders argue over rights. If two sides choose to fight, why must the innocent disappear? Why should a mother lose her child for a war she never brought near? Let the innocent live, let the children sleep tonight. Take the war away from homes, take the battle out of sight. If armies choose to face each other, give them ground away from families. No more schools beneath the fire, no more blood upon our streets. Let the world stand up together, let justice speak when weapons roar. Win your battle without destroying the ones who never asked for. Imagine land where armies meet, far from every home and street. No hospitals caught in the flame, no child becoming just a name. Let rules be written firm and clear, protect the lives we all hold dear. And when those sacred lines are crossed, the world must answer for the lost. No flag should place a life beneath it, no power should escape the law. Justice cannot only whisper after millions witness what they saw. A child does not understand borders. A mother does not cry in politics. A father searching through the ruins does not care who won the argument. He only wants his family back. Maybe victory should never mean another generation buried. Maybe strength is not how much we destroy, but how much life we choose to protect.
Let the innocent live,
let humanity draw the line.
keep the war away from children.
Give their dreams a chance to shine. Let the nation stand together when the laws of peace are torn.
Let the guilty face true justice.
Let a safer world be born. No more mothers holding pictures, no more fathers digging graves, no more children learning hatred from the ruins that we made. If we call ourselves human, then humanity must give one command above all others. Let the innocent live. Before another city falls, before another mother calls, before tomorrow turns to grief, let the innocent live.